Here we are looking at a male catshark, Scyliorhinus canicula. For some of the internal anatomy we can see here, we can see the two lobes of the liver here, the left and right lobe. This is a male catshark. Here we have the sperm ducts leading down eventually to the seminal vesicles down here at the end. So the sperm ducts here. On either side of these we have the testes. So these are the two testes in the male, so these are quite well developed testes, and eventually leading off down to the cloaca down here with a clasper either side of that area where the pelvic fins are also located. So this is a male Scyliorhinus canicula cat. Here I want to show you a female catshark, Scyliorhinus canicula. Here you can see the two lobes of the liver here, and beneath this are the two ovaries. So here are very well developed ovaries in this female. You can also see lots of oocytes at various stages of development, so very small oocytes here and much larger oocytes here in this region. In the uterus you can see a fully developed egg case. So this species is oviparous, producing young inside in egg cases where they'll mature for 10 to 11 months. Here you can see the yolk and perhaps the embryo here. This leads to the nidimental glands, these two glands here, which actually help to form the egg cases for these species. And this later leads down to the cloaca where the egg cases get released eventually. You can also see here on the egg cases these spiral structures. So these help entangle the egg cases in seaweed, for example, where they can stay in the environment while the young embryo grows, feeding on this yolk here. So this is a female catshark, Scyliorhinus canicula. Here the digestive system of a catshark, Scyliorhinus canicula, has been removed and cleaned. Up here you can see a thickened esophagus, so it's been opened up now. This is where the esophagus is, leading into the stomach here, covered in rugae, this rough interior here. This leads down into the duodenum, which connects the stomach to the spiral valve, which is a unique structure in these elasmobranchs. Within the spiral valve you can see these various spirals here, which are shown best underwater. This leads eventually down into the colon and out through the cloaca, or the opening in the catshark. You can also see attached to the stomach here, on the external part of the stomach, is the spleen, an important immune organ in these animals. So this is the digestive system of the catshark, Scyliorhinus canicula.